Yeah, hello, good afternoon, good morning, good evening, wonderful people. Welcome to another exciting tutorial. In today's tutorial, we are going to discuss or look at how to create a realistic blending mode. Yes, how to blend anything. How to blend anything in Photoshop, or how to blend anything with the background in Photoshop. In which I call it a realistic blending mode in Photoshop. So without wasting much time, let's dive into Photoshop. So we launch the Photoshop. As I've launched it, Control N to open a new document, and then we are going to use maybe a square size, and we call it a realistic blending. A realistic blending mode. Good. So since this is a tutorial purpose, nothing will change here. So create, then boom, you are good to go. So you import the background into Photoshop. I have it here. Then drag it and drop it into Photoshop, and then Alt and the edge, and then expand it or enlarge it, and then we take the parts that we want. Yes, we take the parts that we want. I think we need this side, so this is perfect. It's okay. So as you are seeing this, then the next thing is that we are going to convert this one into, we are going to make it black and white. So first of all, rasterize it, right click and then rasterize layer, then hold Ctrl Shift and U, and then turn it into black and white. Then let's blur it. So filter, blur, and then Gaussian blur. Then blur it 20%, or let's say 30% is okay. So blur it 30. So you blur it 30 pixels is okay. Then the next thing we are going to do is to save this as a PSD. Yes, we are going to save this as PSD. So Control and Shift plus S, and then save it as PSD. So in order not to conflict with it, we add blur to it. So BLUR, so blur, that is it. Then save it. So once we have saved it as PSD, we will reverse everything. So Control Z, Z, then we have the normal background like this. Then the next thing is that we are going to import the logo. So this is the logo I created, just anything at all. Import any object into it, drag it, and then release it, boom, like this. You are there. So let's position it well. Let's position it well. If you like, you can change the color code, or you can change everything, or you can just change it to maybe this, or better still, any color at all, any color apart from the background color, apart from the red. Let's try white and see. Yes, let's change it to white. Then the next thing we are going to do is we are going to convert this one to smart object. Yes, after this is converted into smart object, then we are going to filter, noise, distort, and then displace. Then we are going to pick 40. It's okay, just type here 40, or let's say let's change it to 50, and let's change it to 50. Then you click on OK. Then pick the blur background, or the blur side, the other one, the realistic. Yes, blur. Just bring it on top like this. Nice. This is perfect. And then you are getting there. After that, we are going to the adjustment layer. Then you go to blending option, and then come and hold Alt and this side to break this thing, this side apart. Then drag it, drag it, drag it. So the texture you want, then you will leave it over there. I think I want 70 is okay, or 70 to 73, something like this is perfect. So this is what I want. then I'll click OK. So guys, this is how you blend anything with the background in Photoshop, in which I call it a realistic blending mode or a realistic blending option in Photoshop. This is part of my quick tips